Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, we will be eating some Earth Fare pizza. Yes. Brandon has the other half. Ooh, let me get my seasonings. Am I the only one who likes ketchup on their pizza? Or at least on the side? It just adds like saltiness and sweetness. It's just so damn good. Onion powder, garlic powder, you know that's right, and some oregano. I'll start off with a good old slice. I eat these slices pretty quickly because, as you can see, they're very thin. I don't know why they make them so thin. So let's see how many bites it'll take me to finish this slice. Cheers. That's good. And this cheese is Daiya. But they make it pretty damn good, not gonna lie. Oh, was that considered two? I forgot. We were doing the big bites. Nice. Wow. Slice number two. Alright. I'm gonna aim for three. I'm gonna aim for two without the crust. That's like ooey gooey. Bite number two. Shout out if you like super big bites. I'm at my boyfriend's house, which is why the setup and everything is a little different. I think it's bomb. Like, you could see everything. Like, such a big table so you could see all of the food. It's just real good. Look at this. Look how thin this is. Like, what are you doing back there, guys? What are you guys doing? Just want to like roll it up. Do I have to burp? Yep. Slice number 3. Oh my gosh. I need some of those. That was so much cheese. Holy crap. Ooh. I mean, really. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, ketchup. Did you hear that? My stomach. My throat. I don't know what the hell that was. Oh, fuck. Okay. That last one, that cheese was like OD. It's like too much cheese. Especially because there's like no crust on the bottom. Okay. A little bit left. Done. Goddamn. It was good. It was just this, the third and fourth were so damn cheesy because it was like so thin. There was barely any crust underneath. And I don't like too much cheese like that. But I think I did pretty good, like for big bites. It was probably my fastest mukbang yet, you know? Before this, I was trying to do a burping video for my people who like watching burping videos, you know? Speaking of which,